Today, at a meeting with the European Works Council, Airbus has confirmed the necessary adjustment in terms of production rate for two main programs of the company, the A380 and the A400M. By 2020, we will deliver 6 A380 per year and 8 A400M per year as well. In fact, we have 3 years in front of us in order to manage this necessary adaptation. We will deliver 12 A380 in 2018, then we'll deliver 8 A380 per year in 2019 to go to the 6 that I just mentioned. For the A400M, 15 in 2018, 11 in 2019 to go to the 8 in 2020. So you can see we have enough time in order to deal with the potential implications to other people. And today we started an official process with our unions in order to look at what we can do in order somewhere to deal with these people implication. 3,700 positions are potentially impacted. We are really used to deal with such adaptations. In the past, we have demonstrated that when some programs were impacted in terms of ramp down, we were able to redeploy a lot of people because other programs are ramping up. It will be exactly the same case for these particular adaptations. And I really commit with my teams to make it happen with, as usual, a responsible manner in the way we are dealing with people impacts.